You're watching Brainstorm Acres. I'm Henry, and doing this almost got me divorced 46 years ago. You're watching Brainstorm Acres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene. I think he's been smoking too much pumpkin pie.
Not just eating pumpkin pie. You know, when we first got married, we lived in a one-room efficiency apartment that originally had a Murphy bed in the wall, but that was long gone by the time we got there. It wasn't real big. The kitchen was really, really small. It's called a galley kitchen. And the refrigerator in it was about the size of your typical dorm room refrigerator today.
Right, yeah. Tiny, tiny little stove. You could bake a chicken in it, but you could
barely.
Well, you could do a turkey, but it had to be like a 10-pounder.
It was really small.
Yeah.
Well, our first Thanksgiving was really interesting. It started off with all manner of stuff, including... Do you remember what happened?
I do. The septic system backed up into the... Well, it wasn't a septic system. It was a sewer system. Backed up into the bathtub.
On Thanksgiving Day.
And we had company coming.
For Thanksgiving dinner.
Yeah. Thank goodness it was dinner and not like early lunch or something.
It would have been... It was nasty as it was.
Yeah.
But we knew who the people were who ran the maintenance. So I called maintenance and said...
Help!
We have a big problem.
Yes. The sewer's backing up in our bathtub.
So I got to spend
a couple of hours.
Thanksgiving morning on top of the roof with the
maintenance person.
Maintenance plumber.
Yeah.
Using a snake to get stuff out of the line.
Yeah. Turned out one of the foreign students, grad students, was flushing garbage down the toilet. Didn't know any better.
So we had an interesting time.
Yeah.
We got the bathroom cleaned out.
Mm-hmm.
I got a shower.
Mm-hmm.
The turkey cooked just beautifully.
Yep.
Vegetables were great.
Yep.
And the pumpkin pie was awesome.
Yep. We managed to somehow survive it all, feed the person we had for dinner, and yeah. It all worked out. Despite everything.
You may have noticed in the intro that I said we almost got divorced.
Oh, I was so pissed at him.
Well, I got up the day after Thanksgiving, like today, and said, well, it's morning. It's time for pie for breakfast. So there was a nice chunk of pie left from Thanksgiving dinner. So I got out a knife and I very carefully cut it and gave Irene the bigger half. And I took the smaller half and I ate it. Well, I was most of the way through with it. And then...
Yeah, well, my family didn't eat pie for breakfast. And if you were going to do something crazy like eat a dessert item for breakfast, you asked whether there were any plans for that you should be aware of.
Pie's a breakfast food.
Well, it never occurred to me that somebody would do that. So my new husband, who almost became my ex-husband, decided he would eat breakfast with a pie and didn't ask and didn't check to see what I had for plans or anything else. So, yeah.
It took a little persuasion, but I got Irene to try a piece of pumpkin pie for breakfast, and then the rest, as they say, is history.
Well, we just make 2 pies now. And we've already killed a good bit of one because we had some for, last night and breakfast and all kinds of stuff. We wanted to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving who celebrates it. And
for those of you who don't, if you celebrated Thanksgiving last month or several weeks ago, happy Thanksgiving in arrears.
Right.
And those of you who will be celebrating a holiday dinner sometime later this year, we hope you enjoy your dinner as well.
Right.
We had a very lovely video chat with our extended family. Well, our children, our children's children, my brother, my sister, my sister's children, my sister's children's children, So all of our nieces and nephews and
Right, and
great,
your brother's kids.
and the great nieces and the great nephews.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And
Oh, by the way, my mother too.
yeah.
Now, normally one of us would try and go have dinner with her for Thanksgiving. It'd be whoever's in the area. My brother's in the area. My sister's in the area. We're not in the area. But because of the pandemic, nobody's going anywhere.
Right. And to be honest, most of the family is spread all over the United States. Good conglomeration of it right now in Southern California. It was awesome. It was awesome.
Now, we have a special viewer who doesn't say much on our channel, and we wanted to make a shout out to. Cameron, hope your Thanksgiving was wonderful. It was great talking to you.
Yes, your mom assures us you're a fan.
Well, listen, thanks very much for watching. This is going to be a really short show today. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you enjoyed a great Thanksgiving. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications because
We're going to be doing lots more stuff. There's no doubt about that. We have all kinds of things coming up.
Thanks for watching. We'll talk with you later.
Bye.